A very good morning to all the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class, and we were doing revision of Peter Enters the Garden. So today we will read the question and answers of the previous videos where we did the Peter Enters the Garden. These are the one sentence. This is the revision sheet. This is the old sheet only. So I'm doing the old sheet revision with you. I am not giving you any extra questions because I know you will be confused and then again you have to learn everything. So I don't want that. You revise these and that will be easy for you. Okay. So let's start. Number 1. Who was Peter? Peter was a mischievous young rabbit. Name the 4 little rabbits. Name of the 4 little rabbits are Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. What warning the mother rabbit gave? Mother rabbit told the baby rabbits not to go into neighbor's garden. Did Peter listen to his mother? Obviously, no, Peter did not listen to his mother. Where did he enter? He entered Mr. McGregor's garden. What did he eat there? He ate lettuces, French beans and some radishes. Number 7. Was the gardener good? No, the gardener was not a good man at all. He was a very wicked man, Mr. McGregor. Name the vegetables mentioned in the story. They are lettuces, French beans, radishes, parsley, cabbages, potatoes, peas, beans and onions. Okay. Number 9. Which friend came for help when Peter was sobbing? Peter's friend Sparrow came to help him when he was sobbing. Where was Peter hiding in the tool shed? Peter jumped into a can into the tool shed and hid there. Number 11. What was the old mouse carrying? The old mouse was carrying peas and beans. And why they were carrying peas and beans? The old mouse were carrying peas and beans to his house because he was gathering food for winter. What was the gardener doing when Peter saw the main gate to run away? The gardener was hoeing onions. What is hoeing? Planting onions when Peter saw the main gate. So the gardener, Mr. McGregor, was on his hands and knees and planting the onions when Peter saw the main gate. Name the author of the story. The author of the story is Beatrix Potter. Where was Peter successful in escaping from the garden? Yes, Peter was successful in escaping from the garden. So what do we learn from the story? That we should obey our parents and also we should obey our elders. We should not disobey them as they know a lot of things much more than us. Okay, children. So that's all for the revision part for today. And we have revised the 2 poems. We have revised this one, Catch the Cat, and also we have done this one, this Peter Enters the Garden. So that's all. You will revise each and everything. You will give a reading. Nothing will come from outside the copy or the book or from the back of the book. The make sentences, the filling the blanks we have done. Please go through that from the book. And you will not learn the poem, that one, I asked the little boy. That poem you will not learn. You will only learn Just Imagine. Okay. Now, I have gone through your papers. Thank you everyone for uploading the papers, for writing the answers. I could see that you have done it yourself. I am so happy that you have done it yourself, and I'm so thankful to the parents also that you have not helped the children. So, but there are few instructions which I want to give you for your unit test. Like, you can take it as a feedback so that you don't repeat those mistakes and it is easy for you for the next time. For example, number 1, that is, draw lines. Suppose you will be getting your answers, you will be getting your routine beforehand. So you can do one thing. Either you can draw lines in your A4 size paper with pen, or parents can help you to draw lines with pen, and you write your name, class, section there. Or you can write in a single line paper, big single line paper in your house, in your home, if you have any copy, single line paper or anything, you can write there. Don't write in a plain sheet, because the handwriting is going, one is going here, the other is coming down, so it is looking very untidy. Number 2, which is very, very important, that is you will write your name, your class and your section in all the papers you are writing the answer. Suppose you are writing the answer in 2 sheets, okay, 2 answer paper. So you will write in the first also, you will write in the second also, like we wrote in your, in our exam time, we write name in each paper, right? Yes, like that you will also write your name, class and section in all the pages, okay? Yes, children, the third point is very important, because I found many of you not writing in a neat handwriting. You are not erasing it properly, you are not using a proper pencil. Please, this may not be for all, but I am giving you this instruction. Please write in a neat handwriting so that I can see and read properly, okay? Put your answer number properly. Suppose if it is number 1, please write answer 1 and then write the answer. Parents, please, you can help in this portion with the children, and then so that it's easy for us to locate also, the teachers. And the last one, which is very important, that is please click the page properly without blur. It should be clear and without the flashlight, because if you give a flashlight, it is reflecting the writing and it's becoming white there, so I cannot understand what is written. Okay, children, so you will not click the picture without the with the flash. You will click without the flash and also click it very clear and upload. Okay, that's all, and I hope you are all revising your lessons. Okay, all the best for your exams and take care of yourselves. Thank you.